Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5382P. This is a 2015 Chevy 1-ton regular cab flat deck with 162 for K, 6-liter V8 gas. This one is two-wheel drive, so it will be priced accordingly. Two-wheel drive ones are plenty handy. Landscapers like to use them. Can also work well on the farm. This one's got a nice big 12-foot long by 8-foot wide deck. It's big enough for pallets of fertilizer, pallets of seed, toolbox, welder, whatever else on the farm. It's also got a hitch as well as 7-pin wiring. And then with it being a 1-ton dually, nice big V8 gas, it is big enough to lug around, skid steers, mini hose, things like that if you're in the landscaping business as well. Deck surface itself, again, is big enough to put, pallet forks on there, extra buckets, sweepers, that kind of thing. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, Bluetooth, integrated trailer brake. There's a flip-up center console for an extra passenger. So again, plenty of uses, plenty of versatility for a 1-ton deck truck like this. Again, stock number 5382, a 2015 Chevy 1-ton flat deck.